Hello and congratulations on getting access to this video course on how to create engaging presentations. So this video course is all about Prezi, which is the software platform that enables you to create engaging presentations. Now, why did we choose this over PowerPoint? Well, I'll talk about that in just a minute. As you know, creating engaging videos and presentations is very much important in this day and age, especially when many different social media platforms or other platforms look for high engagement, right? In order to sell something, you need to have an engaging presentation, at least to gain people's trust and get them to interact with you. Now, PowerPoint has come a long way, as well as Prezi. But when you see Prezi Next, which is the latest version of Prezi, you will be wowed. So with that said, let me jump right into this introduction. So what I want to do is give you a quick overview of what's inside this video course. This is the introduction. Video number 2 is Prezi Made Easy, and I'll talk about the differences between Prezi Next and Prezi Classic, which is the older version of Prezi, and how they are different. And then we'll talk about how to start your own Prezi presentation in video number 3. Video number 4 is the Prezi site overview, and we'll talk about how to dive in, how to get started, and all of that. Video number 5, we'll talk about how to start a new Prezi, and we'll show you a demo and everything like that. And video number 6, we'll talk about editing and customization. How do you make it fit your needs, essentially? And video number 7, we'll talk about shortcut keys. So as you begin to learn Prezi, having access to the shortcut keys definitely can help speed up the whole process. Video number 8, we'll talk about adding voiceovers and background sound. So for those of you who want to take Prezi and essentially turn it into a video, this video will be for you. So we're obviously going to be using a different software to do that. But that said, I'm going to show you how to do that. And of course, last but not least, video number 9, we're going to show you how to collaborate via Prezi. So how do you collaborate via your team, either in the sense of putting it all together or maybe collaboration in terms of learning. So we'll show you more in just a second. So first things first, why Prezi versus PowerPoint? Obviously I could have made this video course about PowerPoint, and PowerPoint has come a long way and they have evolved over the years. But the reason why we chose Prezi over PowerPoint is simply because Prezi really allows you to really engage with your viewers. And you'll see in just a minute how engaging it really is. Now, you'll notice in just a minute with Prezi Next, they kind of have moved more towards the powerful functions of PowerPoint. So essentially what they've done is they've taken the most powerful features of PowerPoint and taken the most powerful features of Prezi and combined them together to make an amazing tool. All right. So with that said, let's jump into video number 2.